Well, here at Inlet Boat Ramp today, folks, the line has built up. Let's see, in lane 1, jet ski. Oh, he's in way too deep, baby. Can he land that trailer? I got one over here in a fishing boat waiting his turn. He's in way too deep. And the wind, I'm not kidding you, it's a little rough out here. It's heading right into the dock. I mean, it's not bad for most people that know what they're doing. Okay, here goes the jet ski. Let's see if this captain is captain enough to do what he does. But he is in way too deep. Whoa! Whoa, buddy. Did he get it? No way. Okay, I speak again. Maybe he wasn't in way too deep, but we'll see what happens here. Camera wide enough and drive the boat. People are waiting. The people are waiting. Yep. Did you get it on the trailer right? Did you get it on the trailer right? Oh. Oh, 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 whoa, whoa, whoa. What are we doing? Somebody's backing down the ramp. Alright. Alright. Well, it looks like the captain got that on there. He was in too deep, but like I said, I'm way out here and he's in there. Alright. I mean, like I said, these people are all waiting patiently on the trailers. Not me. That's for another day. No, yeah, maybe. Oh, there he is. Him and my camera. He's not in too deep this time. Can they land the shot? Captain's running out here saying, come on. Does he have one of those fancy little motors? Probably. See him like holding, see he's like he's holding some, honey. He's holding like a remote. He's got iPilot. Here you go, iPilot at its best. Oh, yep. Yeah, the iPilot brought it in. Let's see. He's on the hand tiller. Can't make this stuff up, man. Even I'm drifting in this wind. It's so windy. Better put the electric motor up. Yes, good job. You don't want to jam that thing. You don't want to jam that thing. Give her a little bit more throttle. I know I got to. I'm in a big parasail with a pontoon. All right. Don't floor too hard. You swamp her. The swamper. Ooh. Hand tiller on the captain. Here we go. Whoa. Can you land the dock in the trailer? Not the dock. Trailer. Don't kiss the dock. Yes. Good job. Okay. Need him go balls deep. Getting his feet wet, maybe. No, maybe not. Oh boy, here comes another trailer. I don't know what he's doing. Wow, that guy's like Superman or Speedy Flash from the Flash. Boat action in Inlet, New York. Might be the first. Well, I did some a few weeks ago. We'll see how this goes. Alright, got the guy in the F-150, the Ford 15,000. Oh no! This guy don't know what he's doing. He's backing right. I should be backing left and straight. The captain had to run out of his boat to assist him. And like I said, not everybody knows how to run a trailer. It's, oh, that captain's really running up. Whoa, 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 whoa. My mistake. Who's the captain of that other boat and who's the captain of that trailer? Whoa, we got one that just like totally came in before. I don't know. We're just lining up right here, folks. Jet skis coming in. I think there's a pandemonium of confusion. I don't know what kind of trailer it is. I'm pretty far away. I'm trying not to get in anybody's way. Got somebody towing somebody on in. There you go. Help a person when you can. I wonder if this could be the broken down jet ski. Man, oh man. Oh, okay, it's the jet ski guy. All right, we're going a little more, sharp. No. Oh boy, the boy. Oh, he's balls deep. He's balls deep in the jet, off the jet ski. Like I said, he's got a broken down jet ski. There is a reason, but what is what's going? Oh no, he's not. He's gonna back into the freaking fence. Man, oh man, this is a rare moment. This is what you call Fourth Lake after hours. Wow. We'll call it that for now. Oh man. Man, the camera, honey. I gotta get the boat in a better position. Can you do that all right? Keep it sewn. Now we're going too deep on the Fourth Lake boat ramp. Oh, this is gonna be interesting. Too wide. You get this? Too wide on Fourth Lake boat ramp. Got one broken down ski, one guy holding. Not a bad way. Now they just need to coach this F-150 in. The guy in the Chevrolet is picking up the, what you want? Oh, that. Yep. Okay, they're not going to get their feet wet. Okay, whoa, whoa, whoa. Don't go too deep. Don't go too deep. Oh, man. Oof. Free willies here. Oh man, don't back it down the wrong part of the ramp. Yeah, Hercules. You see that? Mm-hmm. Hercules lifted the trailer. Oh, no. Yep. He didn't get his feet wet. The other guy is cranking. Not sure how deep he is, but maybe knees deep. Oh no, don't hit the jet skis. No, don't hit the jet skis. Oh man, now we got little Hercules out here. Alright, tag team duo. I don't know if they're father and son. Maybe. Whoa. don't hit the Ford. Too wide in Inlet, New York. Who would have thought? Ah, a little fist bump to the other guy. I think that was sportsmanlike, right? Can they get the jet skis on the trailer? Yeah. Highly trained from professionals here, folks. Piling up. Oh, got somebody in the GMC. I'm surprised he didn't go too wide. All right. Give him a little credit for not doing that. Man, they're balls deep there getting those jet skis loaded. Don't you agree? All right. The water is a nice 77.2 degrees according to Humminbird Helix 5. At the end of the day, there's always everybody's ready to get out. Yes, they successfully have done it. They got the jet skis out. Would you give them a credit? Mm-hmm. And considering they broke down, one was broke down being towed. Always wait your turn at the boat ramp. Don't push people, don't be pushy. Inlet boat ramp is probably mainly a one lane only, not a 2 lane. Wouldn't you agree? Mm-hmm. Got 2 people in the GMC, Garage Man's Companion. Alright, here we go. You know, doesn't that look like a jet ski trailer? Wait, whoa. No, there are 2 jet skis. I don't see them. Oh, you know, I bet you those are the jet skis we saw way down the other lake there. Hmm? Well, folks, I think I'm going to get out of here for now. Yes, I would always say, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free. But I thought I'd give some boat content when we had it out here. Another beautiful day in Fourth Lake, New York. Which one? He's waiting for a set of jet skis. I think they're way on the lake. This guy's waiting very patiently. Think I should wait? All right. My co-captain, my first mate, said, "Gotta wait." We wait. Oh, here comes the Malibu, even red trailer with a heavy-duty GMC. Maybe half-ton. That's all you need to pull these boats nowadays. Half-ton, good-sized truck. Uh-oh. It almost freaking hit the dock. Easy. Enhance. Oh yeah. Up, stop. That's good depth. No, don't go anymore. Don't go anymore. Don't go anymore. That is a very deep V'd boat. It's an inboard, obviously, so you need a little bit of drag for those boats. They don't want to drive the boat on the trailer? Okay. That almost looks like balls deep near the crank. Just saying. Oh, look at that. They're letting it float into the trailer. Interesting. That is a very interesting factor. Ooh, oh, oh. This wind is very bad today. Not as bad. They're about 1 foot to 2 foot rollers today, but it's late by lake standards. Oh boy, that guy decided to go in the cold one today. God bless him. Alright, we're going to pull it out now. The moment of truth, when you pull the boat out of the water. Did he do it right? Did he do it right? Yep. 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 Maybe. Okay, Mr. Captain, you're approved. Hired. I gotta get away from this buoy before I become a... Alright, you ready to go, honey? Alrighty, folks. Have a good Sunday evening.